Hello everyone, Jai Hind. How are you all? As I promised you, we'll be getting some of the varied officers from the Indian Air Force. Today I wish to introduce you to a technical officer, engineering officer of the Indian Air Force. He is Air Commodore Salman Akhtar. Salman has been a very close friend of mine and has had a accomplished and a very checkered service career in the Indian Air Force. He retired recently. He stays in Bhopal, and he, after 34 years of long service, Salman, Air Commodore Salman Akhtar, has been exponent of the Russian fleet of fighters. He has been an engineer, spearheading the maintenance of the Russian fighter fleet of the Indian Air Force. He has also been an aircrew as a flight engineer with the helicopters, and eventually he specialized training in ordnance management and explosive management, and thereafter he commanded a couple of explosive depots. He is a highly educated person. He is an MTech and he is also an MBA, and he has done a couple of so many other courses in Indian Air Force. He has worked closely with HAL, DRDO and so many other government organizations at various levels, and I will now hand over to Salman to enlighten us with the branch activities. Thank you.
Hello Anurag sir, nice to hear from you. It's so great to know that you are grooming young boys and girls at the Doon Indian Defence Academy to achieve their dream of joining the defence services. I understand that DIDA is a premier training institute for defence entrance examinations. I am sure with you coaching the youngster, they are going to be immensely benefited from your great attitude and varied experiences of the Indian Air Force. As per your request, here is my bit of insight into the engineering branch of the IAF for the benefit of your cadets at DIDA. The engineering branch is bifurcated into two sub-branches, that is Aeronautical Engineering Mechanical AEM and Aeronautical Engineering Electronics AEL. To become an officer of the engineering branch, you need a degree in the engineering with a minimum of 60% marks. There are also a few other courses which are eligible for this branch. You can check these out at if.nic.in. Male and female candidates are eligible for this branch in the Permanent Commission or Short Service Commission. Do refer to if.nic.in for the latest policy on this subject. Now let me introduce you to the basic role of the engineering branch. It performs the duties of the maintenance operation of various fighters and transport aircraft, helicopters, missiles, UAVs, mechanical transport, weapons, radar, communication system, etc. As an engineering officer in the Indian Air Force, you start your career as a flying officer and can rise to the rank of Air Marshal. Normally, flying officer and flight lieutenants are considered as junior level officers, and accordingly work is assigned. Squadron leader and wing commander are considered as executive level officers, and group captain and above ranks are considered as senior level officers. The good news is that very recently Vishwesaraya Technological University, Bangalore has started awarding MTech in Aeronautical Engineering after completion of ab initio training at AFTC and thereafter successful completion of specialized courses at technical type training schools of the IAF. Further, if you are academically inclined, then after completion of few years of service, the IAF offers you opportunities for MTech in specialized streams from IITs and other premier institutes. Being an aeronautical engineering officer myself, I worked in the maintenance operation of the fighter aircraft. I also got the opportunity to fly various helicopters as a flight engineer. I have worked in different capacities at operational and maintenance command as well as at air headquarters. As group captain and in Air Commodore rank, I had the honor to command an Air Force station. I am sharing all this so that you know that life in Indian Air Force is never monotonous and there is no limit to what you can experience once you join. It also provides the best of facilities, be it recreation, sports, medical, and education. A lot of new inductions have taken place in the recent past, such as Rafale, Tejas, light combat helicopters, Apache, Chinook, etc. Also, a number of advanced radar and UAVs and cruise missiles have also been inducted into the Indian Air Force. That is why the theme of this year Air Force Day was Transforming for the Future. Similarly, various DRDO labs and Indian private industries are doing a great job towards indigenization, which in future will drastically enhance our war fighting capabilities. The maintenance of the existing as well as the future inductions will be the responsibility of the aeronautical engineering branch. It will truly be a challenge, but not something that the IF engineering officers cannot handle. So, boys and girls, that is from my side. Best wishes for your dreams to come true. Best wishes to Dida Dehradun. Happy landings and Jai Hind.